Welcome to this tutorial. So we are on tutorial 4, and that is how to insert doors and windows to our plan. So let's come back to our Revit at the ground floor. So I have my wall, I have my door and window here. They are tools. So then the first thing is my door. Let me click my door. So now my entrance door. So for my entrance door, you can edit the width and the height of your entrance door. So here's mine. For the door, the height is supposed to be 2100, and then the width, I can make it, for the width I can make it of 1200, and then click apply. So you let it load first, and then you chip in your hooking. Now look at the seal height here. Seal height, it refers to a vertical distance between the finished floor level and the bottom or something. So this time around, for our wall, for our door, you don't really need any seal height, which is you click in 0 and then you come and then you chip in your seal height. As you see, the door ought to open to the wall, so you can enter space. If you point your space bar, it will change the direction. If I point it again, you see now, so I click this time, so this is what I want. So you can see that I have my doors created. Yeah, let's look at our view. What we've done, let's check it at the view level. So at the view level, this is what we have. So you might not I'm sure you won't have this type of door in your own Revit. So if you need it, please comment on this comment section, and then I will attend and send all those Revit material to you. So let's go to the ground floor again. So now we go to our doors. That is our entrance door. So I want my entrance door to be different from my interior door. So then I have to click it and then check other options. So I have other options here. So let me click this and edit it. Then we click edit type to change the properties of the wall. So the width of the wall is 900, and then we have the same height, which is 2100, and then you click apply. So when I apply it, the seal height at this point will be 0. The door ought to open to the wall, so you chip in your space bar, and then it will definitely do it. So you can make it an ensute, or rather this. So the same thing here, then the same goes for here. You press the space, then you have this also. So then at here as well, you chip it there, and then you have it. In this point also, you have to press the space. So then at here also, I think these are dining. So these are dining. You press your space also. So I think you have it here. So then I think these are store. So these are store. Then it's here also. All right. So and these are dining, and then so okay. I think we were through with the door aspect. So now what we need to do now is to create something here. About that, I will leave it for the next tutorial. So now this is our door. Let's check if it is now effective. All right, so can you see that we have doors for each room? That's very awesome. That's very awesome. I must say it's kind of very beautiful. So now the next thing, and then our exit, and then our store is there as well. So then let's go to our ground floor again, and then let's put our window. So for the window, the seal height, let's talk about this thing very well. It refers to a vertical distance between the finished floor and the bottom of the window, the finished floor. So at that finished floor, the tiles and everything has been so finished floor level and the bottom of a window or door opening. So it's a critical dimension in architectural design, I must tell you. So it helps to influence natural light entry, ventilation, view angles, accessibility, aesthetics. So we have standard height of seal height, and then some of those standard heights for residential, it ranges from 610 to 914 millimeter. So mostly I do often make use of 900 millimeter. Sometimes I do use 600 as well. So now should we let's go on and then let's put it there. So I click my window, then I can edit it here to edit my type. Alright, first before that, let me check the alright. So we have it 5.3.8. So my window. So from the window, I have double casement W vent. I know you don't have this. You won't have this. When you press your own, this is what they will give it to you. So this is another. I got it from some website. So you can also choose to go and download Revit family, and then you can go to Revit City or Beam, Revit Beam. So you're gonna see a lot of them, or you can just comment on this comment section, and then I will reply to that, and then ensure I meet your need. So for the double casement, I click it and then I edit it. I have to edit it. I did the window. So the width is 1,200, and then the height is 1,200 also. Then so you chip in your OK, and then I set it. Yeah, at the that one thing that makes Revit awesome is that you can put your element, your component at the middle. Automatically you just place it, and then it will fix a midpoint for you immediately. So that's how it has been. So making it like, kind of very simple, easy accessibility for even beginners and everything. So now for the bedroom also, for the dining, then for the living room also. So alright, so I think this one is not yet at the midpoint, so I think it's at midpoint now. So then for the kitchen, so we just change the window this time around, like the way it looks. So now you can come to edit type. I want to change the width of the window this time around, since I want to use it for the kitchen. So before I do any changing here to the width, I have to duplicate. If I didn't duplicate, then that means what I've created in the first place here will also change, and I don't want it to change, so I have to duplicate it. So that's why I duplicate, and then when I duplicate, I change. Now I can now change the width to probably around 1,500, 1.5, then I will just place it. Yeah, so I think the window case has been settled. So we also have window for our bedroom, and also our store. So now how do we do that? You click the window again, and then you come to edit type. You duplicate. You have to duplicate again. You want to change this time I want to change the height and the width. The other time I changed the height, and I only changed the width. So now I want to change both. So for the window, so for bedroom, okay, fine, I chip in 600 by 600. Let's go with that, and then I click my OK. So then I set it at the midpoint of each plan. So I think I have my window in all the houses. So now let's check how it looks like, and then do further setting to ensure it is accurate. Can you see this? Very beautiful. It is very beautiful. So we have to ensure that those roofs, they are aligned to each other. So they are aligned, like they are top of each other. They are at the same level with the door. I want to ensure that. So 853.8. So now let's check 853.8. So now as you can see, now it has aligned to those to the same level. It has been on the same level. Now this is 946.2. so I press everything and then I change it to 946.2. so that's what I want to do. Try. So come here and 946.2. 946.2. so now if you check it, everything will be at the same level. Then here, so there is a 946.2 will also be a 946.2. I know. Alright, so now we have our window. So I think it's getting good as well. Here there's a change in 946.2. so we chip in. Okay. Alright, so now let's check for the 85. This is 853.8. the bedroom, the bedroom windows. Let's see if this accurate. 853.3. I think let's check here. See, so it's 853.8, not 853.3, 853.8. Right, so now let's check the seal height for this. 1546.2. That's 1546.2. then you press OK. So now this is how to insert doors and windows to our floor plan. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please join us as we move on to the next step.